Hello friends, now we have got a very simple exercise to see or to make the form of the simple present tense firm in your mind. Okay. Now what you have to do is, as you can see, these sentences are written in present continuous tense. Now you have to convert them into simple or rewrite them using the simple present form of the verbs given here. See, for example, they are playing cards. The main verb is play. Because you know how to, you remember now how to make the present continuous to be plus present participle of the given verb. So the given verb is play. So what you have to do is, you have to rewrite this sentence into the simple, using the simple present form of play. So they are playing cards, that will become they play cards. So from there you can see you can compare this. This is simple, this is continuous. The form, especially, it's only for the form of the verb, to make the form of the verb familiar to you. And second one is, he is singing songs. You know, he sings, third person singular, songs. He sings songs. Isn't it? And third is, they are watching movie. That will be they watch movies. They watch movies. Fourth is, Ashok is reading books. Ashok reads, third person singular. Here also sings, reads books. Isn't it? Next, fifth one is, I am eating rice. I eat rice. That's my habit. First person single, rice. And sixth is, you are speaking well. You speak well. You speak well. Listen. Seventh, the dog is drinking water. The dog drinks water because it doesn't get milk. Yes. The dog drinks, third person singular, drinks water. Third person singular. S form. They are running. Eighth. They run. They run. 9. He is writing novels. He writes. Third person singular. He writes novels. See, you can compare them. Grandma is telling stories. Grandma tells stories. And here, she is sweeping the floor. She sweeps, tells, writes, third person singular. She sweeps the floor. Sweeps the floor. It is raining. It rains. It rains. Third person singular. S form. He is cutting glasses. He cuts glasses. He cuts glasses. Okay. And next is, the cat is chasing a rat. The cat chases. It was a third person singular. Chases the rat. And what does the rat do? The rat is jumping over the fence. The rat jumps over the fence. I think now it is clear to you. And also you can see, suppose you are given a sentence in present continuous, you can change it over to the simple present. And simple present can be changed to present continuous. The form, if you are thorough with the form, you have to be thorough with the form. And that's why this exercise is specially meant for that. To make you thorough with the form of present continuous and also simple present. So present continuous we have already done. In detail we have seen. Now this is the simple present. I already told you why do you call this tense simple tense? Because here you have got aspect, continuation. Tells you about the action, how it takes place. Here it doesn't say anything. So since there is no aspect, we say it is simple. Listen. This is we say, if you are wearing too many ornaments, then you say he has a complex person. No ornaments, then you are a simple person. See, aspect is like ornament, and now here it is simple. So there are only two simple tenses in English. First one is the simple present, and the second one is the simple past. Alright. That's why all the other tenses have aspects. Therefore, they are not simple. Here, they are simple. Like imagine ornament and no ornament. See, a person with no ornament is simple. The other person is, the aspect is there. So you call them, it is what you call not simple. That's not a simple person. Yes. Hope that it is clear to you. Fine. See you again with another exercise tomorrow. And tomorrow's exercise will be how to make negative. Exercise for making negative in the present, simple present. For example, orally we can do this. They play cards, they don't play cards. He sings songs, he doesn't sing song. Does not sing, doesn't sing. They watch movies, they don't watch movies. Ashav reads books, Ashav does not read. You remember I told you, yes, it's taken. I eat rice, I don't eat rice. You speak well, you don't speak well. The dog drinks water, the dog doesn't drink water. They run, they don't run. He writes novels, he doesn't write. Grandma tells, grandma doesn't tell. She sweeps, she doesn't sweep. It rains, it doesn't rain. He cuts, he doesn't cut. The rat chases, the rat doesn't chase. The rat, so the cat chases. The rat jumps, the rat doesn't jump. Tomorrow we will do an exercise on this. First we will do how to expand. The simple tense, how to make it a verb phrase, like adding, inserting, do or does according to the person and also the number. Number and person. You are familiar with it. I first person singular, you second person singular, he, she, it third person singular, we first person plural, you second person plural, they third person plural. I think it is clear to you. Bye. See you again with another dose of simple exercise tomorrow. Till then, bye.